The DJI Avata 360 is no longer just a rumor. Ahead of its official global launch, the drone has surfaced in hands-on footage and real-world photos, giving the clearest look yet at what could become one of the most important FPV releases in recent years. After months of speculation, the aircraft has now appeared in retail packaging and even been spotted listed for sale on Facebook Marketplace, suggesting that its debut is closer than expected. Images shared by X-Drone Studio reveal the drone placed in front of its retail box, confirming both its name and its distinctive design. The photos highlight a rotating camera housing, a feature that immediately separates it from competitors. This mechanism appears to allow the camera module to shift orientation, enabling pilots to switch between immersive forward-facing FPV footage and full 360-degree spherical capture. That flexibility could make the Avata 360 more than just another FPV drone. It may represent the beginning of a new hybrid category. The packaging design seen in leaked images matches separate listings found online, strengthening the credibility of the leaks. According to well-known DJI leakers, the drone is expected to debut first in China before expanding to global markets shortly after. Early pricing rumors suggest a starting point of 2,988 Chinese yuan, which converts to roughly $435. A worldwide release may follow in early April, although final dates remain unconfirmed. What makes the DJI Avata 360 so significant is its rumored ability to combine two distinct flying experiences into one platform. Traditionally, drone pilots have had to choose between a forward-facing FPV drone built for speed and immersion or a dedicated 360 camera drone focused on capturing everything around it. The Avata 360 is expected to eliminate that compromise. By merging high-speed FPV performance with full spherical recording, DJI could allow creators to capture dynamic footage without committing to a single perspective during flight. At the heart of this innovation is a reported dual camera system built around large 1/1.1-inch sensors. That sensor size is considerably larger than what most FPV drones currently offer. Larger sensors typically deliver improved low-light performance, better dynamic range, and greater overall image clarity. If these specifications are accurate, the Avata 360 could offer image quality that surpasses many drones in its class. In full 360 mode, the drone is rumored to support 8K recording at 60 frames per second. That resolution would allow creators to capture an entire environment in one take and then reframe shots later in post-production without sacrificing detail. Instead of worrying about camera direction mid-flight, pilots could concentrate purely on movement and composition. For action sports, car chases, indoor fly-throughs, or dramatic dives, that freedom could completely change the shooting process. When switched to traditional FPV mode, the drone may record 4K video at up to 120 frames per second. High frame rate recording enables smooth, slow-motion footage, which is essential for capturing fast, aggressive maneuvers in a cinematic way. This dual capability means one flight could produce both immersive FPV angles and reframable 360 content, reducing the need for multiple drones and repeated takes. The design of the DJI Avata 360 appears to follow a compact Cinewoop-style layout with full propeller guards. This enclosed structure makes it suitable for flying in tighter environments while adding an extra layer of safety. Unlike many FPV drones that use 3-blade propellers, this model is rumored to feature 4-blade props. That configuration could provide smoother throttle response, better stability, and more controlled handling in confined spaces. The estimated weight falls between 370 and 380 grams, placing it in a relatively lightweight yet capable category. Flight time is projected to range between 23 and 25 minutes. For a ducted FPV drone capturing high-resolution footage, that endurance would be impressive. DJI is also expected to introduce a redesigned charging hub with fast charging support, capable of recharging multiple batteries efficiently. For professional creators working on tight schedules, faster turnaround between flights can significantly improve workflow. Intelligent features may further separate the Avata 360 from conventional FPV drones. Reports point to multi-directional obstacle sensing, potentially including forward and side detection systems. Some rumors even mention LiDAR assistance. If implemented, these technologies would make it one of the most advanced FPV drones in DJI's lineup. Enhanced sensing could allow pilots to navigate complex environments with greater confidence while maintaining dynamic tracking shots. For video transmission, the drone is expected to use DJI's O4 system. This next-generation transmission platform promises lower latency and stronger signal reliability compared to previous versions. A clearer, more stable live feed is critical for immersive FPV flying, especially when performing fast maneuvers. Compatibility with DJI Goggles N3 and the RC2 controller is also anticipated, giving users flexibility in how they control the aircraft. Pricing is rumored to follow a tiered structure. A drone-only version could target existing DJI users who already own compatible goggles and controllers. A standard combo with the RC2 controller may appeal to newcomers entering the FPV space. Higher-tier bundles might include extra batteries, a charging hub, and DJI Goggles N3 for a complete immersive setup. Final global pricing may vary from early Chinese listings, but the overall positioning suggests DJI aims to keep the Avata 360 accessible while offering premium options for serious creators. If the expected timeline holds, the DJI Avata 360 could arrive within weeks. With full 360 capture, high frame rate FPV recording, intelligent obstacle sensing, advanced transmission, and flexible pricing tiers, this drone has the potential to reshape how aerial content is created. Instead of upgrading an existing model, DJI appears ready to introduce something entirely new. One drone, one flight, unlimited framing possibility.
The newly surfaced Quick Start Guide for the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 Creator Combo does not confirm any official water resistance rating. Although the guide highlights a micro SD card slot with a protective cover, this alone does not guarantee waterproofing. A covered slot may help protect against dust or light splashes, but true water resistance would require proper internal sealing across all vulnerable areas. Buttons, the USB-C port, speaker openings, and especially the rotating touchscreen hinge would all need advanced sealing to achieve an official IP rating. The mechanical design of the rotatable screen makes full waterproofing technically challenging without a major internal redesign. Based on the visible information in the guide, improved durability appears more likely than complete water resistance. As of now, no confirmed IP rating is mentioned, and water resistance remains unverified until DJI makes an official statement. In terms of pricing, the Creator Combo is widely predicted to launch at around $669 US. This expected price positions it slightly above the previous generation, while reflecting incremental upgrades rather than a dramatic redesign. Considering DJI's pricing strategy with earlier models, this estimate seems reasonable. The Creator Combo branding also suggests bundled accessories tailored for content creators, which may justify the higher expected price point. Final confirmation of pricing should arrive closer to launch. The full Quick Start Guide has now appeared publicly, and its release does not come as a major surprise. Earlier hands-on leaks and retail packaging images had already hinted that the launch timeline was progressing smoothly. The expected announcement date is March 26th, and the appearance of official documentation strongly suggests that DJI is moving according to schedule. When manuals begin to surface, it usually indicates that final specifications and marketing materials are nearly ready. Early promotional content often follows once documentation becomes finalized. The cover clearly identifies the product as the Osmo Pocket 4 Quick Start Guide Creator Combo. Inside, the layout looks standard and familiar. The diagram shows the camera module positioned at the top, maintaining the signature compact gimbal design. A rotatable touchscreen serves as the main interface, continuing the practical flip screen design introduced in the previous generation. The internal structure and overall arrangement feel very similar to the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, making the device instantly recognizable to existing users. The guide confirms several physical components. A dedicated zoom button is now included, offering more direct control over framing. A status LED is visible, along with the 5D joystick for navigation. The shutter and record button remain part of the layout, and a USB-C port is listed among the physical features. There is also a clearly labeled customizable shortcut button, described as "press and hold to customize functions."